What is up, guys? Today we will talk about if you guys can withdraw Hamster Kombat and sell. Well, for that, as you guys can see, I'm at my mobile device and I'm going to open up my Telegram. And my Telegram, if I scroll down, I'll be able to see my Hamster Kombat and tap on it. I'm just going to launch my Hamster Kombat. However, there is no real value of Hamster Kombat exists. The value that you see is only a virtual or actually like expected value. However, the Hamster Kombat is yet to be listed, which means you can't withdraw it nor you can sell it. So what you can do, so I will tell you, you just need to connect your wallet. Whenever the coin is listed, you will easily be able to withdraw it and sell it. For that, you just have to go to your airdrop, tap on withdraw, tap on connect your Tone wallet, tap on connect your Tone wallet and select the Tone wallet according to you. You can use the Tone Keeper app from the Play Store or Google Store according to you. Now once you've connected your wallet, you just have to open up the specific app. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all these options. Here you will have some sort of Tone wallets. Tap on buy and sell, tap on sell, and there you will have some sort of Tone coins. Just tap on that and there you go. You'll be able to sell your Tone coins or any of the Hamster Kombat coins that you mined and they are in your wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's how we'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this